up, it's your girl iRock, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a faux bangs with a bun using braiding hair. And guess what? The style only cost me $2, so make sure you stay tuned. So you're only going to need a few items. You're going to need hair ties, bobby pins. I'm using EcoStyle gel. You can use any gel you want, water bottle, a white tooth comb, a brush, and also something to slick your edges down with, scissors, and a rag. And my freaking watch totally got into my hair. So you're going to wet your hair down just to add some moisture in there. My hair is super dry. Okay, and also I'm using hair butter to add moisture too. I totally got it from Dollar General and it was on sale. So you know your girl cannot resist a sale for some reason. Like if there's a sale, like I'm gonna buy it. So I was just trying this product out. Actually, it's pretty good. So if you're interested, I will link all the items that I'm using down below. So we're gonna go ahead and section our hair off. My hair is super tangled. I have a natural 4C hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle that using my white tooth comb. My mom was totally telling me like how her entire day went at work, so that's what I'm looking at and that's what I'm smiling at. So I have my entire head detangled. I went ahead and sectioned some twists out and I left the middle out. And I'm going to use the EcoStyle gel to start in the middle of my hair. You guys can use whatever gel you like. I like the EcoStyle gel. It works well. And you're going to see in a second how it performs. So we're going to start in the middle, put the EcoStyle gel all over my hair, mostly at the roots. And I'm going to brush. I'm trying to get my hair as slick as possible because we want this hairdo to be laid, hunty. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and brush, and then I'm going to put a hair tie on that section. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and just work with each twist, brush, EcoStyle, all the way into a ponytail. Stay tuned to see how wavy and slick this gel has my hair. Like literally, it's mind-blowing. You'll see. You stay tuned, you'll see, okay? So I'm going section by section, and it's very important. So make sure if you are natural or if you have 4C hair, this is very important. Check this out. Hair laid to the gods, okay? Like they used to say back in the good old days, laid to the gods, okay? You see that? 4C, 100% natural. Like seriously, sis, I was shook. Okay, I've never used like 4C on my entire head, so yeah, I was so blown when I seen like I could actually get my hair to be laid like it is right there. I wish I would have known this like a long time ago. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into finally done. Putting my hair into one ponytail at the top of my head. I'm gonna go ahead and tie that. If you guys are enjoying my hair tutorial so far, go ahead and give your girl a like, okay? So I have to slow it down for y'all, like real quick, because just check this out. Like, come on now. I deserve a like. So like this video. So now we're moving on to one of my favorite parts, and that's getting these edges laid. Okay, I'm still using the EcoStyle gel. I'm using a toothbrush to slick them down. I know there's a tool to slick your edges down these nowadays, but no, sis, I am never retiring the toothbrush. I started with the toothbrush. I'm going to end with the toothbrush, okay? So I'm using that rag that I mentioned in the very beginning to tie around my head. That's basically to lay the edges down and to keep them laid the entire day. So the rag is like really important. So boom, let's move on. I'm going to use a hair tie to keep the length of my hair in place and to where it won't be sticking out when I put the braiding hair on. Now let's get into the meat of the video, which you guys all have been waiting for. So we're going to go ahead and take the braiding hair, and we're going to tie it around your ponytail. Make sure it's secure, so I tied it a few times. And I'm going to get a hair tie, and I'm going to tie it again just to make sure it's secure. Like, you can never be too cautious, you know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to be whipping your hair back and forth, whip your hair back and forth, and your whole ponytail fall off, okay? Like, that'd be a tad bit embarrassing, just a tad bit. Now that my hair is secure, I'm going to go ahead and divide the braiding hair in half, and I actually went and divided that in half, so now I only have 1/4 of the hair. Basically, this is going to be up to you guys' preference. It all depends on like how thick you want your faux bang to be, and I wanted mine to be somewhat thick, but this is going to be basically based off your personal preference. And you're just going to play around with it, see how it looks, push it up, push your hair up to see like how thick it's going to be, and fan it out to see how it's going to look on your head. So I'm going to go ahead, I kind of like the way that looks, so I'm going to go ahead and get some bobby pins. I'm using 2 on each side. You can use as many as you want. The more the merrier, you know what I'm saying, the more the secure. Only use 4, 2 on each side. So if you guys are enjoying the style so far, go ahead and give your girl a like, subscribe, click that bell button, and also don't forget to comment. Boom, we have that. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of the hair. I broke that section into half. And now we get to the fun part. We're going to twist it up literally. It may take you a few tries, as you guys can see, to get the however you want your hair to actually look, and to also keep your hair from unraveling. So literally it took me a few tries. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get a bobby pin. I'm going to pin actually, I'm going to get a hair tie first, and then I get the bobby pin. Just kidding. I'm going to get a hair tie, secure that. Then I'm going to bobby pin the ends up to try to make it a little more secure. How many times am I going to say secure? But sis, like really, you don't want your stuff to unravel. That's the whole point. So yeah, I went ahead and put a bobby pin right there at the very end of the end of the length of that hair. I'm twisting this up a little different. It don't really matter. I'm just doing my own little thing. You're going to do your own little thing. So I kept this the normal in real time, just so you guys can see like actually what I'm doing. If you guys want to try to mimic the way that I'm twisting the braiding hair up. So it's going to take a few hair ties, a few bobby pins, a few, minutes. So I finally like what I did. So now we are moving on to the bangs, which is very, very fun. I went ahead and I sectioned out 2 pieces on each side because I want it to be like long. And then I want the faux bangs to be in the middle. I just totally did a blunt cut. I'm so like not a professional cutter or whatnot, so like literally I'm just showing you guys like real quick what I did. But if you guys wanted to be like exact or perfect or better than mine, I would definitely suggest like watching a few other videos. I will link a video that I watched to create this look down below if you guys are interested in seeing how she cut her hair way better than mine. Make sure you check it out after you watch my video, okay? I totally got like hair all into my eyes, by the way. And I was going up with the scissors because that's what I've seen a few people do. Like, I guess that's what you're supposed to do. I don't know, okay? I'm just winging it, but it came out good. So if I can do it, like literally anybody can do it. So I went ahead and curled my hair with a flat iron. Make sure you guys leave the setting on the lowest you can and only do 1 or 2 attempts because your hair will burn. And there you go. Your girl is like fly. Like, I'm not Facebook fly. I'm not Instagram fly. I'm real life fly. And as you can see, you know, your girl's smiling. You know what I'm saying? I'm blushing and all that because your girl is super stoked because I'm popping. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I had so much fun creating this look. If you guys enjoyed the look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is almost at 200 subscribers, so go ahead and give your girl a subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Also, don't forget to click that bell so you will get the notification every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much. And again, I will link all the products that I use down below. If I don't have the exact product, I will link something similar. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy your 2020 and use those protective hairstyles for the winter. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.